Back for its 24th year, the Taste and Sounds of Soul celebrates Black history, acceptance, understanding, and all that binds us together. Here to discuss more is one of its co-creators of the event, Charles Giroux, and with him is DB owner and of DB's Cajun. Good morning, guys. How you doing?
Good morning. Thanks for having us.
It's a pleasure. I smell the food, obviously, already. So my taste buds and my nostrils are tingling with excitement. We will come on to that, but first of all, we need to talk about everything that Taste and Sounds of Soul is about. So for someone who hasn't attended the event, which is happening this weekend, what is the antithesis of it? What happens there? What goes on? Obviously, it's very, very popular because we're in 24 years now. So talk us through it.
Yes. Well, the Taste and Sounds of Soul, we're going to be honoring some of the most amazing people that don't get any real acknowledgement for all that they've been doing. We've been watching so many great people in the community for over the last 10 years, and some of them you've been covering them on the station as of this week. Van Strother. And just so many other people. The Taste and Sound of Soul is about bringing small businesses out, such as DB's Cajun, and letting people really get a chance to know what they're about, tasting their food, and just getting familiar with them. So we celebrate small businesses, we celebrate great people, all for Black History Month.
Excellent. Derek, DB's.
Yes.
I can smell how good it is. But for people at home who don't have smell-o-vision yet, the restaurant obviously is serving up Cajun-style food.
Yes.
We can see some gumbo here, jambalaya. Is it traditional Creole cooking? What can people expect?
They get a little bit of both. I'm a very creative person, so I did a little twist to some of our classic dishes, as you see right in the front here with the gumbo tacos.
Oh,
so
dude, you just combined two things, the lovers of my life.
Absolutely, and they're phenomenal. It's our top seller. That's what the celebrities normally come and get when they come to our spot. And at the end of the table, you have what's called soul rolls. So I took, a taste of soul and put it in the egg roll. And things like that are what kind of bring the crowds in, because you get the traditional stuff like the red beans and rice, the gumbo, the jambalaya, but then you get something that you never had before.
And you're going to be at the event this weekend too?
Absolutely.
He's our featured business. And he has a very strong following. DB's is very well known in Vegas, and his quality is just amazing. He and his wife just do an amazing job. DB's Cajun is they're a staple in the community.
And can people get, before people are like, I've got to have those tacos at the event, are these going to on display? These are going to be at the event?
The tacos you got to come to the restaurant for.
I love that tease. Good work, my man.
At the event, you will have the red beans and rice. You will have the jambalaya and a couple other dishes that they're gonna love to get. Red beans and rice are second to none. So if you ever been to New Orleans and you want to get a taste of what that Cajun Creole food is like, you got to come check us out. And not only that, but what Charles and them are doing for the community and putting this event on, it's huge. It's something that really should be celebrated and something that needs awareness to be brought to it, because you got a bunch of small businesses coming together and really celebrating not just Black history, but just life in general and success. So
yeah, and that's the thing, Charles, right? Because Black history is one thing, reflection is part of the event, but also it's the culture moving forward. It's like restaurants coming together, small businesses, because communities are founded on these small businesses. They employ people, they're a hub for local gatherings, and that's what this event clearly does.
Absolutely. It's about us all coming together and sharing the resources. We're going to have the CASA organization. You've probably seen the CASA billboards all around town.
We have them in studio too, yeah.
CASA will be at the event to kind of share their information. This is a Las Vegas Black Image Magazine event. So we've been going on strong for the last 24 years with the support of Channel 13. Has been a huge supporter. You all are one of the biggest advocates, the best supporter in terms of getting involved in the community. I just want to give you all your flowers. You all just do an amazing job.
Well, we appreciate that. But
absolutely.
We are nothing without the community itself.
I agree.
It's all a big,
We're all one collective.
Absolutely.
Las Vegas Black Image is in all Albertsons, all public libraries. This is a partnership between Black Image Magazine and the Clark County Libraries.
You guys have a special offer that you come in with today as well?
Yeah, if you come in to the Clark County Library on East Flamingo for the Taste of Soul Black Image Honors, and just mention KTNV, you will get a Black Image magazine, and you'll also get a calendar. This is my mother-in-law right here on the cover of this calendar, historic Black entertainment calendar. She's the first Black showgirl on the Strip that came to Vegas with the Moulin Rouge.
Awesome. For people who need to get tickets for the event, where should they go?
The event's free. Just show up 6 to 8 on East Flamingo. That's Friday, February 23rd.
And DB's? Very quickly, website?
We are DB's Cajun Kitchen on Instagram, Facebook, and we're located on Rancho and Craig, right on the corner.
Cool. This event's going to be great, guys. It's open to the public, and it's free to attend. Remember, free food and drinks, need I say more. All the info for Taste and Sounds of Soul is on your screen right now. Remember, if you mention this segment, you can get a free sample plate of DB's Cajun Kitchen. Supplies are limited.